Following the example of their fathers, the farmers come with their cattle. They come with the hope that on this market day, the buyers bring a full wallet. At first, there's time for conversation and gentle trading.
So you get on this corn, Rich? 75 cents.
Pour him up a couple.
I want 1 pound. Yeah. 1 pound, what I want. You need some, Earl?
Yeah.
The conversation ends when the cattle auction begins. The rhythmic chant of the auctioneer focuses the attention on the ring, but much of the activity takes place in a maze of pens behind that ring.
First, he'll unload the cattle. They will tag the cattle as far as ownership. Then the cattle are separated as to classes of cattle. Then the cattle come through the ring. They're weighed right before they're sold.
Bob's down slow. Get your bag. Your house over the gun.
It's fast. You have to sell them fast in order to move as many cattle as we do. Most of the time, we'll sell one in 10 or 15 seconds.
The auction lasts as long as there are cattle to sell. The call of the auctioneer, constant over the bawling cattle, shouts and whistles of the men.